give me a second to say a few words in private?
Take as much time as you need, Whitey.
Hey, Mo. Long time no see. 14 hours to be exact. If you haven't heard by now, I didn't get that patch I've been telling you about for all these years. In fact, I've been kind of kidding myself to even think I was in the running. You see, the people of Dewsbury think I'm nothing but a joke. So I was kind of thinking maybe I should move to a town where nobody knows who I am. At least then they'd have a reason not to acknowledge me. I think Eleanor might like Florida, and I hear they got some pretty amazing balls there.
You're not going anywhere.
Huh?
Did the mall just say something?
No, it was me.
What do you want, Stone?
I came to apologize, Whitey.
Well, there's nothing to apologize for, Stone, 'cause you were right. Nobody does care about me.
I don't think that's true. Do you, Mr. Mayor?
Whitey, tonight, for the first time in years, your partner, Davey Stone, actually did a good thing for this community.
He opened my eyes to what a great man your brother is and how neglectful we've all been. That's why I'm here, Whitey. I'm here to fix a big mistake.
It's your moment, Whitey. You played for so long. It's your moment, Whitey.
Ow! Whitey Duvall, for service to the League and this community, I proudly present to you the 35th Annual Dewsbury All-Star Patch.
But this is Tom's.
Mr. Duvall, the 35th All-Star Patch is now where it belongs.
I can't believe this is happening.
And the 34th! And the 33rd!
And the 32nd, and the 31st, and the 30th.
29th!
And the 16th!
And the 27th!
Whitey.
And the 18th!
You stepped up for me, Stone. I don't know if I could ever repay you.
Well, you can help me with my dream.
You got a dream? What is it?
To have someone wish me a happy Hanukkah and feel as good as I used to when my dad would say it to me.
Happy Hanukkah, Stone.
Merry Christmas, Whitey.
You know, Stone, if my imaginary wife and I ever have a son, I hope you'll consider him a brother.
Thanks, Whitey. And I'll pretend I never heard you say that.
Appreciate it.
It's your moment, Whitey. The joy of signing presents. Like the Bavarians, don't have to wait for spring.
Would you three show Whitey and I how to light the Hanukkah candles at our house tonight?
You up for that, pal?
And when Benjamin falls asleep, the both of you can play spin the dreidel.
Sounds good to me.
Now go live happily ever after, or I'll drop kick the teeth out of your mouth.
That won't be necessary.
Ah, they make a nice couple.
Don't worry, folks. Whitey's okay.
This is the happiest seizure of my life!
See, I told you.